We're excited to announce the new LITE RITE online shopping experience, and this video will explain how to set up your account so you can benefit from your special pricing levels and more. Once you're at literite.com, click on My Account. When you reach the login page, click on Start Here. Fill in your information. Make sure to click on Agreed to receive emails so you don't miss out on email notifications, coupons, and special offer announcements. Information. Click Save. That's it. You can start shopping by clicking on the All Departments option in the menu above, specific category, or you can shop by brand. If you don't see the product you're looking for, or if you need help selecting the right product, take advantage of the chat feature or give us a call at 562-430-6468. If anyone in lighting and lighting controls makes it, we can get it. We're honored to help you design, control, and illuminate your projects.